only man I game taking a video in a quadrin and a ketabo. Kiwe for Evangelist Ebuka Obi to create here a generational wealth for the people of Imo State. Because in the midst of this video, we want to know Evangelist Ebuka Obi anara ekwu for Zion ministry. Any no nekubu southeast. So in other words, his plan is not for Zion ministry alone. His plan is the type of plan Joshua and the Bible says, as for me and my household. So his plan happens also for Imo State or Ngor Okpala or Sunday Zion. His plan will forget for southeast. Obolo na ndo ọzọ ye enwemi. Obolo na ndo ọzọ ma gini yeme imugo obolo na ndo ọzọ ya biakwa be we share in his own vision in this type of ambition anwa onwe towards the people of ndị Igbo. Iman that na Igbo aya ademma. Because na ibia na echi ekine na anya na afọ the ongoing work na aga na Zion ministry na Ngor Okpala now. Ima mgbe bidoli ha sị gị na ndị Ngor Okpala na anala ha na n'ike na-eme nke a na-eme nke ọzọ. Na jikene sike point na na ahụ unu si na anala unu n'ike. Ona belong to government since 1990. Another in your position when you unu ji amepụta. When they fight the company will say we develop a village, you did not do anything. Below the company, but you are back to Anandi Yoruba. Hapozaya there. So only was Batazia when they making aqua in Kinkabu complete all that way. Amount to the always will be do so be and zobun zobin by any. Kita go and check the face of Ngor Okpala today. Ebi ye nwete bu 100, 200,000, 500,000. Kete na no millions of naira. People are building hospitals, filling stations, hotels, massive infrastructure. Ya bukwesi bu government, obana government wala la na. But government kwesi wala develop oboda. Oboda man dey like this. Imana by the time Zion ministry and everything are high in abundance. Man, this one they have to go and scratch things from the scratch. We don't know loyal. Come to Ngor Okpala in the next 10 years. You will not recognize it again. After Kwanda no one has watching Ngor Okpala, ka we nweke bata nweke ka we revoke one or two things about Zion ministry. Zion ministry Ngor Okpala has come to stay. We can uche gị goeze go ọnụ mgbe Fada Ejike Reverend Fada Ejike Mbaka move back to ebe ahụ na anọ. According to the story then, as in eba ka na atufusi aja, neba ka na awufusi inu everything lolo na mgbe ha nara aguza haga. That immediately oti ha ni isi eba uzo chake ijugunu na Christianity na-ewebata uzo, Christianity na-ewebata ihe. Jekita jefon mwamba cross amount leba, that cross has been a torment to the kingdom of darkness. Amam ka hasu ebeti ọnụ mgba na ya ebutu cross a na ya eme nka na cross a na Jose cross onochili unu ụzọ. Cross was built in that roundabout that represents on according to the story na no nkwa okwe chukwu. So he has fulfilled his vow. Yotago. At least that cross onwere bobu na ino. Se wepu anya me ka kwado ihe ọjọọ na site that cross go bizu ege no matter who you are. So that cross has become a torment to them. And no accident in that place before that cross then. An accident na wufu balagogo. When I get everything megin adajona. Do not join them say na church when we church bana in a community. Church baluma in a community because when we were every nalo church na nearby was once an evil forest. Omaka ụjọ ndị mmadụ sị enwe ihe eji ebe enu eme wele na ya epụtazi ụnụ ụka gbakola ana because mgbe ha na-atụ ụjọ no evil forest mana mgbe ụka nọọlụ na 4 years 5 years onwebere ihe mee na sị ọrụkwa ka ndị mmadụ etibe anya dị. So na end this video ka ụnụ fie eme nje kwuye nkwu n'ụbọchị nkịta ka ọ dịkwa.
Okay, if I go the second phase that first phase only in anya if you know about a residential pattern, about a residential building, and currently when we go over how many buildings you know here, excluding that first part, about him we go and that first part if currently when we go over 100 and something and we go close to 150 buildings over there. This is the second phase, the residential area. And in Anyeba, you have more than how many buildings there, but when the Ngor Okpala is not a joke. If you are still reluctant to invest in Ngor Okpala, you will regret it later. If you miss the opportunity to be part of the people who will own a property in Ngor Okpala now, you are going to regret it later. Buy a plot of land in Ngor Okpala today, and you will be glad you did tomorrow. Did you see the kind of city Anna plan here? Did you see the kind of city Anna plan here? Uno need na the whole Victory Estate. Do you know how many of these residential houses in Florida and then which you know nobodo iwo? You know and then which you know dina nobodo iwo for the flat or for the full duplex. And the video as of how many months back, if you go to that place right now, I can tell you that over 100 buildings have go completed, the residential site, and the more than how many again in the ongoing. It is not a joke. You will cry had I know. You will cry had I know. We will 20 million naira barata Ngor Okpala Kigolana, 25 million barata Ngor Okpala Kigolana. Yafana anywhere around. You want to go? So take advantage now. No, nyako inenyo mwifeni na necha yitu Evangelist Ebuka Obi tuye all to egu power. Oduhizi. The greatest real estate turnaround have go now anywhere. Many people go and Asaba as some part in Enugu and Ofodebe. Enable this kind of massive development. Enable this kind of massive development where people will come down and development will start immediately. If you wait till next year, in fact, from now to Christmas, in fact, from now to 100 days, you will see exactly what is going to happen again. Ngor Okpala. Take this advantage. It doesn't even matter the way they came at Ayasia. Ulo na so Ndomana abuze eziokwu one deceives no one by okone water development one deceives no one. Zion Ministry unya tono Victory Estate, Uzana Estate, Peace Estate, and Dotwe onya tono into what it is today. Stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. Look at what. Imagine what will happen if Evangelist Ebuka Obi bought Ngor Okpala. No Ngor Okpala. Imagine the way visitors. If even in Lagos. If even in Lagos. If you Ngor Okpala, you have nothing less than 5,000 people roaming around. Actually, for some water development. Before you know it, Afiado there before you know it, school ado, hospital ado, other schools abolata. People are for and strategically located. They could go in Nambo, Abia State in Ashimwe Airport, near Abia State, near Imo State Airport, near Kelafe, near Port Harcourt. From Ngor Okpala to Imo State to where is how many minutes? From Ngor Okpala to Aba, from Ngor Okpala to Aba is less than 25 minutes. From Ngor Okpala to where is less than 25 minutes. From Ngor Okpala to Port Harcourt is less than 25 minutes. So now you know what you they wait for. You want to go? Now you know what you are looking at the next super city. I win a southeast. You want to go? All as we speak now, Nimwe go and an Ngor Okpala. When you fetch you come over, I only we go and an Ngor Okpala. Nimwe go property in Ngor Okpala. Eka yebe pa no no me ndem na go zezi oku. No ba na pet. No ba na me pet. You want to go? You go clear for your eye. This is Ezuko. Come with our own latest update of what is happening in Zion ground. You were back at that, Hojoku. You were back at that one day, and we go for 500 building. Mandana, I don't have 40 shows. It's not a joke. If I just go with what I have, I have from the Yawas over the but I know what be an Ngor Okpala. Sizeba, the villages here. A Grammy Chapa is square back connected to airport. Now, I don't want package moto Hanaga, na compound. Come and take the opportunity now. This is Ezugo.